There's this ant colony in my yard, and I'm planning to destroy it with multiple different levels of things. First off, we have the level 1 water gun. Next, we have the level 2 water gun. Then a refillable water balloon, and finally a paintball gun. First, I'm using this to shoot at the ants. I'd say I did about a 5 out of 10 on damage. Next, we have the level 2 water gun. Let's see how much damage this does. That seems like a lot of damage. I'd rate this about a 6.3 out of 10. Next, we have the refillable water balloon. 3, 2, 1. And now, finally for the paintball gun. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Let's take a look at the damage. I would rate that a 9 out of 10 on damage.